Hello everyone. So my name is Ranvijay Kumar, final year CSE student at IIIT Nagpur, and this is my assignment for the data science intern at EZ Lab, and this is basically built using React.js for the front end part and the fast API for the back end part. And it also been integrated with the Gemini API for the query answering and the summary generation. And apart from that, I have used NLP that is already available in the Python for the PDF to text extraction. Okay, so let's start the project demo. So basically entire website is like responsive, so it's completely responsive for all the screen, as you can see. So it's responsive. Now let's start with the project. So let's say article, this is what we are uploading. So basically it's a trading research paper, so it should generate this. As you can see, it has generated this summary, and now it also have challenge and ask three things. So in ask, you can ask any question. In challenge, it will generate 3 questions from the backend. So this is being done again by the Gemini. So see, this is the question. Now let's say I don't know the answer. Okay, let's type anything. So now if you see, so it will process the query and it will evaluate and it will give you a response, and it will also justify that using document. So basically see, I don't know, indicating that unable to answer the question, therefore the provided information and can't be evaluated. So as you can see, this has been like given feedback, then correct answer, and then how it aligns with the human cognition. So basically this is the segments from the research paper. So it also gives you answer from the research paper, and it will also provide you context like where you can find in the research paper. So basically this is the evaluation based on the feedback, and then the answer, and then the context as well. So this is how question is generated, and again it's a responsive. So as you can see, so basically this is responsive. Okay, see here, you got it. Yeah, it's a responsive design. And then you can check for the next question. See, here is the next question, and it will go back. So as you see, previous question, again you got the chance to answer. Now this is the ask anything. It will also have its own memory. So like it's currently storing in the browser, so it doesn't do like database. It doesn't store or retrieve from the database, and for this question is like temporarily stored in the browser. So it will also give you like a score that how much it matches the research paper, that what percent of the like it has a context that it has provided, that how much it matches in the research paper. So that will also be provided. So basically let's say my name is Ranvijay. So basically this is something like we haven't given any question. So like the provided research paper, see, it doesn't contain any such information, so it will not answer that. It will not hallucinate like over other things. Like it will be strictly reported to the, it will strictly report according to the research paper. It won't provide any other thing. And this is the reasoning. So, and this is like source text that it has found in the research paper, and this is the confidence, that how much confidence it have that the source text exists on the research paper. So basically this is how I design it, and then this is a conversation. If you ask what is the last question I asked, okay, what is the last question I asked? Okay, so it should give us a response. Okay, let's ask. So it's answering on the basis of memory. So there is a, as you can see, it is asking using on the basis of memory. And then like you again go to summary, you ask question, challenges, again it will generate the 3 different unique questions from its sides. So as you can see, it's waiting. Okay, so it's getting executed. See, API got called, and now the again challenge mode question is there, and then this chat history, again it's responsive. Okay, so see, it's working well. So it have all the feature that has been asked in the assignment, and apart from that also added like bonus features. And apart from this, there is like all these things that a user needs to know, like in if someone is assisting that, then the context, everything, memory, and all these things I have covered in this. So this is my final assignment